So I came to Outlander first and foremost as a fan. I'm a fan of the series, and that's what made me want to have a conference at Glasgow. It was trying to bring that together. I think it's great when academics can get their hobbies or their interests or their enthusiasms and bring them into their work. Many years ago, nearly 40 years ago, my supervisor said, it's better to work on things you don't like, because then you can be more critical. But I don't know about that. I love Outlander. I am a fan. I'm one of those fans. And for me, that's something which gives me the energy and enthusiasm to get involved in something as time consuming but as valuable as this. So I come to it as a fan. I have an academic interest, and that's basically come after, if you like, the fandom and the enthusiasm, and that hasn't waned at all. So would you say it's written by someone with a research academic background, so there's so much for anyone with an academic interest in so many different disciplines in areas historically, as I say, medicine or an historical interest in witchcraft or in war or in archaeology and so on, engineering for example, because as well as having a female doctor as a lead character, which is pretty revolutionary even before Doctor Who had the idea, to have that but also to have her daughter study engineering and have mathematics talked about as an important structuring way of looking at the world. So I think it appeals to academics for all kinds of reasons. I mean, academics, people used to say we like detective fiction, that was a stereotype, because we like finding things out, but I think we've always loved historical fiction, and we've always loved fiction that was beautifully researched, where we could see the work had been done, we could see the homework if you had an interest in the period. It encourages interdisciplinarity, and that's something we want to do. It encourages public engagement, that's something we want to do. It encourages an interest in big history, and that's something we're interested in. And one of our aims, if you like, at the university is to think about global Scotland. And I think Outlander is already there, inviting us to think about Scotland globally.